Hi.
She's invisible. What? It's a game. They're vampires.
Hi.
When you see one of them with their arms crossed like that, you should take them serious or she can answer you.
Thanks.
What's that?
My name's Greg.
Greg?
Greg, G-R-I-G-G.
Oh. I'm reading something about Greg.
You're so freaking cute. Yeah. Hello, can you say mama? Mama? Can you say dada? Dada? Are you being silly? Can you say dada? Where's your dada?
I apologize. I'm Jocelyn.
Where's your mama? Where's Ian? Where's your big brother?
How do you know so much about the phone?
You love your big brother. Yeah, you do. He's at school.
I'm here for a sci-fi conference. So,
Bye-bye.
Lucky Contingent is a kind of
Bye-bye.
offshoot of that.
You wave?
Yeah, you read much science?
Bye-bye.
I'm more of a...
Bye-bye. 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 Nice to meet you. I'm your mom.
I just